Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you've seen any of my van adventures, you know that battery just keeps dying on me. So I have this here. This is a jump starter and tire inflator all in one. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what we got. Comes in a case, which is nice because then I can just hang this up somewhere in the van. But okay, so this is what it looks like. Here, let's open it up and we will check it out together. Okay, well, looks like on this side here, we're gonna have a bunch of cables and a little piece here, and I guess I'm gonna put it down and take out the pieces and parts and we'll be able to just see them individually. Okay, oops, just fell. Okay, so this is the main battery and device. I'm sure I can hold it down here. It's got a light on the front, which is kind of cool. It looks like it came with 3 dots of power already. And then we can adjust, oh, do I have to hold it down? Maybe to turn it on. Let me take this off. Okay. Okay, so we can set it up here. So we have 0 PSI currently, and it wants to go to 35 for this particular mode for a motorbike. Then I can choose 34, 35. I can adjust the different types there. This would be like a bicycle. It wants to go to 45 PSI. My bike does like a 90. A basketball would be 8. I don't know what this is for 36. And a car, 36, depends on the car. Like most of the cars are 39, so, or the one that I just did yesterday was 39. So you can just adjust it there. Okay, so here is where our pipe will go for the air inflator. Let's just go ahead and get everything out of here. So this is the tire inflator. That's good. It's got the one like this. So much easier than the screw-on ones. So it connects up onto here, and then you'll be able to easily connect it onto your tire like that. So much nicer. Okay, those are great. Okay, and in here as well, we have the device, oops, for jump starting our car, which is important for me. So this is going to connect up in here on the side. There is a little port right there, and it will plug in. Funny doing it this way. Okay, it lit all up over here, so I got whatever it was doing there. So it's gonna be ready to charge. I'll put the red on the red, this on the ground, and I will start charging my car. So this is cool. So this will give me the ability to get my car, my van going when its battery is dead. We are also given here a few little accessories. We have a charging cable, so it'll charge from USB to USB-C. And then we're given little inflator devices to inflate a ball. We have a Presta valve converter, so if you have a Presta bicycle like I do, you can use that. And then other little inflators to just inflate balloon type things and other stuff that you want to inflate. So cool that it comes with that little kit as well. And you get the whole little box thing to store it in, and it zips up, and really cool. So everybody should have one of these in their car because you can jump your car and you can fill your tires with air. Very important, very for safety for your car. So my ranking is a thumbs up on this. Very cool.